Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to mine the Verge crypto. This crypto is already trading on Binance, it's already listed on Binance. I'll be showing you how you can start and jump on it and start mining and start making money for yourself. But before we dive into details of the video, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ojo Billionaire Academy. On this channel I talk about how to make money online, how to claim free cryptocurrency, and how to earn a job. So if you are interested in making money online, claiming free cryptocurrency, you should go ahead and jump on my channel, click the subscribe button so that you'll be subscribed to the channel. Also click the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop videos like this, so that you can be the first to partake in it and harness the juice out of the video. That being said, let's dive into details of today's video. So guys, the Verge platform, this platform, I will drop the link to it on the pinned comment of this video, so you can quickly jump on it and sign up and start mining. So you can also read through safe and secure. We are using a dedicated server, high security, encrypted and trusted DDoS protection and mitigation provided. So guys, you just need to read through and see for yourself. So that's it. Okay guys, now what you need to do is you need to connect your wallet here, your XVG wallet. So it says accept all wallet address Verge. Don't have a wallet, create one here. So guys, this you don't need to create. This wallet is already on Binance. So if you have the Binance, account, just go on Binance and copy it and use it. But if you don't have that, I'll drop also my Binance link so that you can sign up on Binance, get verified, so that you can copy your link and use it for this platform. So let's go to our Binance. I'll copy our address. So I'm already in my Binance app. I've been able to search for XVG token, and here is it. So I'll just the Verge network is the only network available, so that's it. I've copied it. Then let's go back to the platform so that we can quickly connect and sign up. Now guys, you can see the minimum deposit you can make for this is 0.0000001. So it takes the barest minimum deposit for. So guys, we'll just come here and paste our wallet, yes, and click connect. Been successfully connect. Our wallet has been connected. So right here we are in our dashboard, and if you look right here is the reward we are mining already. You can see right here we are already mining already. So that's it guys. So this is the total holding value of this total payout reward. Have not been paid out. Share and invite friends. Okay guys, I'll drop the link so that you also can sign up, get additional bonus reward and other benefits by completing the available tasks and claiming the XVG reward, total reward. So guys, this is it. You can join, do other things so that you can get reward up to 58,000 of the XVG. Earn more XVG by sharing. These are the little things you need to do. So if you share to friends, you earn I think 5% of whatever they are earning. This is it guys. So guys, this is it for the platform. So let's just check down the drop down menu here. Click, let's see the withdrawal. So we've not been able to make any withdrawal, but let's see what's the minimum withdrawal. 1.5. So guys, if you have 1.5, you can quickly make withdrawal. The maximum withdrawal is 92,500. So that is it guys. So this video should not be too lengthy, so we'll just have to end it here. So guys, this is how you can sign up. So don't forget, I'll drop the link to this platform down the pinned comment of this video, and also I'll drop the link also in the Telegram channel. So if you not join the Telegram channel, quickly join the Telegram channel so that you can jump on this and start mining. As you can see, this token is already trading on Binance. It's already on Binance, so it's something you should quickly jump on and see how it can benefit you. Thanks, that will be all.